Hello, I'm Emily Polk, and these are your CSR Minute headlines. The e-commerce boutique Elegant Roots has made another microloan through the leading microfinance lender Kiva.org. Elegant Roots offers artisan gifts from eco-conscious, socially responsible designers. The company's microloan program is another way it supports small businesses and individual artists. New England's largest energy delivery system, Northeast Utilities, has released its first corporate social responsibility report. According to President Charles Shivery, this report is the first step in engaging stakeholders in its efforts to grow and improve as a provider of sustainable energy solutions for the region. Benchmarks Foundation reports that the diamond mining industry's corporate social responsibility performance in South Africa leaves much to be desired. The findings of a recent study contradict companies' claims regarding successful CSR implementation. For more information on today's stories, go to csrminute.com.